Hello and welcome to Only Empty Plates. Today we'll be making a quick and easy papaya parfait that is a perfect fit to your Sunday brunch. You can also have it as an early morning breakfast, a snack during the day, or as dessert. To make this delicious parfait, you will need 1.5 cups diced papaya, 3/4 cups plain yogurt, 3 tablespoons chopped mixed nuts, half a teaspoon sun-dried papaya seeds, and 3/4 teaspoon honey. Let's get started. So here I have a large ripe papaya cut in half and with the seeds removed. Today we'll only need 1/2, but we'll peel all of it anyways. Once the papaya is peeled, you can wrap it in plastic wrap and store it in the fridge for about 3 days to retain the freshness. Now that the papaya is peeled, we'll set half to the side and we'll start dicing by running the knife along the papaya and then horizontally to create bite-sized chunks. We'll then place the chunks in a large bowl and set it off to the side. Now that we have our bite-sized chunks, we'll get a small bowl to begin creating the parfait. We'll start by adding 2 spoonfuls of plain bio yogurt we're using this time. To that, we will then add 2 to 3 spoonfuls of papaya. This will add layers to our parfait. We'll add another layer of yogurt and then followed by some chopped nuts. For the nuts, I'm using pecan, Brazil nuts, and almonds. We'll add another spoonful of papaya. Followed by more yogurt. We'll then top with some more chopped nuts. Now to create another dimension of flavors, we'll be adding some sun-dried papaya seeds. This will give depth and additional crunch to the parfait. Lastly, because we use plain yogurt, we'll drizzle on 3/4 teaspoon of honey. This will add some more sweetness and bring the flavors harmoniously together. We have the creaminess of the papaya and the yogurt, the crunch of the nuts and the sun-dried papaya seeds, perfectly proportioned in every bite. I encourage you to try this recipe and let me know your experience by filling in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and please click subscribe to be notified when new videos are released.